Welcome to Cake TV. My name is Liz Wright and I'm the founder of Cake TV and also of the Australian Cake Decorating Network. We first launched Cake TV back in 2017 and it's an extension of the Australian Cake Decorating Network, also known as ACDN, which first launched in 2012, and also of Cake Magazine, which we first published in 2013. We are so excited to be bringing Cake TV back in a new format, with a new series and with new decorators from all over the world. Cake TV presents 4 new tutorials every month, from beginner to intermediate all the way through to advanced. Then for the 4th week, the episode is presented in a really fun format. So it might be a live Q&A, a troubleshooting session or a live bake-along, so that our Cake TV subscribers get to know our guest decorators and can even ask them questions in a live setting. Each month we feature a new decorator, and we will be covering techniques such as cakes, cookies, cupcakes, macarons, buttercream, fondant, ganache and more. We are bringing together the most amazing collection of video tutorials and resources, so that regardless of where you live in the world or what skill level you're at, you can learn from world-class cake decorators and bakers. So when you're a Cake TV subscriber, you can look for videos under new releases, categories, levels, and bonus episodes. So if you look under categories, you can then search for the videos based on the newest video, the most popular, by author, of course, our first is Cassie, and then by categories. So you can search for videos based on key terms and find videos that are of interest to you. Now let's meet some of our Cake TV teachers.
Hey guys, it's Cass here from Cass Cakery from Queensland, Australia. I'm super excited to be a teacher for Cake TV, and these are the cakes that I'll be showing you. So we will be doing stenciling on buttercream with beautiful fresh florals, and I go through the process of arranging them and how I find that flow. We're also going to be doing all things chocolate drip. I'll go through the tips of what to do and what not to do to get the perfect drip. And of course, one of my signature heart template cakes, which I absolutely love doing. So, I can't wait to see you guys on Cake TV.
Hi, I'm Harry. I'm from Harry Bakes. I live in Surrey in the UK, and I am buzzing to be teaching on Cake TV. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the basics of a fault line cake using buttercream. I'm also going to show you how to get nice, smooth, sharp edges using stripes. And I'm also going to show you how to get a marbled effect using buttercream as well. I can't wait to see you guys on Cake TV, and I'll see you then.
Hi guys, it's Tash from Cookies by Tash right here in Sydney, Australia. And I'm so excited to be a teacher here on Cake TV, teaching all things fondant cookies. We'll have 3 classes available, a beginner, an intermediate and an advanced, and I'll be running you through everything you need to know to absolutely nail your cookie designs and decorations. I'll be giving you tips and tricks like what kind of fondant I like to use and why, to how to colour your fondant, the correct use of fondant moulds and stencils, two-toning techniques and so much more. So come with me guys, pick up that dough and let's start baking.
You can subscribe at caketv.online. And you can subscribe either monthly, meaning that you can cancel at any time, or you can subscribe annually and save $39 on your annual subscription. And once you've subscribed, you get instant access to the platform. And we would love for you to come and join Cake TV.